Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good and reading awesome books. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys my experience as a bookstagrammer and how to make money, how to earn money through reading books. So basically how you can earn a side income just by reading books. If reading is your hobby and you like reading books, so you can also earn money through your passion, through reading books. Basically on Instagram, whoever review books and who have an Instagram account, we call them as a bookstagram. So basically they put books, photos and pics, videos on their account. So basically it becomes a bookstagram if you keep continuously doing that. So in this video I'm going to talk about my experience as well and how you can also make money through reading books. If you genuinely love reading books and wanted to show your books recommendations on Instagram, so you can start, and this video is for you. So make sure you watch the full video and I'm going to share with you guys some tips on how to start a bookstagram account from beginner, from start to finish, and how you can earn money through it, and how you should present yourself as a bookstagrammer so that people can find you, so that other businesses like authors and publishers can find you and have their books reviewed by you. So make sure to watch the full video and let's get started with this. So the first step is you need to create an Instagram account for your bookstagram. So you have two choices. You can also convert your personal account into a bookstagram account, and also you can create a separate account for your bookstagram. So basically you have these two choices. It doesn't matter, you can pick anyone. And also for your bookstagram account, you will only upload book pictures, videos like quotes, lessons, whatever you like, but it should be related to your books, whatever you are reading, your recommendations. So basically your bookstagram account, it should be filled of books and recommendations, and nothing else. So basically you can also do this. So the second tip is you need to set up your bookstagram account. So basically you have to set up your bio so it looks like a professional. So like whenever any author or publisher or any business who does businesses in books, and any publisher can come on your profile, and it should look like a professional, so that they can have a decision of working with you like for any projects. So basically your bio, it needs to be look like a professional, like whoever created the bio, they care about books, they love reading books, they genuinely read books and review on their page. So basically it should look like a professional, and you can write in your bio like genuine stuff, like whatever you like doing. Basically if you love any specific genre like in self-help, you can also mention that, like for example businesses and philosophy, psychology, or any other genre, you can also mention that. And also if you want to add any links, for if you have any other profiles on any other social media networks, you can also mention that in your bio, so it looks like a professional. You can also search on bookstagram and see other bookstagrammers how they are doing. You can also see my bookstagram page, like how I have my bio, and I haven't changed my bio since I think last 1 year, and you can also take inspiration from that as well and see other pages bio how they write their bio, and you can take inspiration and change according to your niche and according to your interest. Next tip is start uploading pictures on your bookstagram page. So your book recommendations, your current reads, your quotes, whatever you like reading, basically you can also upload your current read. If you don't know what to upload and you just started your bookstagram journey, you can also start with your current read, and you can share your current read, like whatever you are reading right now, and share in your story, share with other bookstagrammers. So basically start with that, and it doesn't matter, like don't think too much, like, and don't pressure too much on your mind, like what are the other things that I can do. So basically do simple things and take inspiration from other bookstagrammers how they are doing, and start uploading with your own interest whatever you are reading right now. And if you are currently reading a book, and if you have read your favorite books, you can also upload that, and you can also share your best key lessons from those books. So everyone like reading about your favorite stuff, like your favorite lessons from the book. So basically you can also share that, your favorite lessons and your top 5 books, and recommendations are a lot of engagements and a lot of likes, and this will also help you to grow your Instagram account. And so basically you can also do this. So all of this uploading process and these books recommendations, this uploading stuff is to grow your bookstagram account. So you have to grow your bookstagram account from 1k to 5k to 10k, and the more you grow your Instagram account, so basically everyone notice you, the publishers, the authors, and they will notice you and they will keep your account in their mind. So basically if any new project came or any book came, so they will approach you. So this is the initial step you need to take care of. You need to grow your Bookstagram account and start uploading quality content, start uploading unique stuff, experimenting with your Bookstagram account, upload reels. Reels are very popular right now, so start with your reels and do like very unique stuff with your books. So basically start uploading and focus on growing your Instagram account with initial stages. So the next step is, once you reached on a certain level of follower base, for example like 5k followers or 10k followers, you will start getting messages for book reviews. You start getting requests for book reviews. So basically authors and publishers, they will approach you for their book reviews or for their other book projects. So basically you will start getting these messages once you growing your audience, once you grow your account base further. So basically you will start getting these messages for paid book reviews, and you have to have a paid campaigns, like a customizable paid campaigns according to your follower base and according to your deliverables, basically whatever what your service in your paid campaigns. So this other stuff, like once when I get started with this Bookstagram account, I didn't know about anything. Like I have to have my own paid campaigns and customizable paid campaigns so that I can send out to these authors. So I asked like other Bookstagrammers and I got nothing. So basically this all information you have to gain with yourself, like your own experience. So you have to set up your paid campaigns according to your follower base, according to your like whatever the services that you want to include. So you can earn a decent amount of money for you can say a side income for doing these paid campaign reviews, for doing these paid reviews. And you can also not just you get book reviews only, you also get some brand deals, some brand book promotions, or like some brand deals with other education companies. So you can also get education companies promos as well, paid partnerships as well, and different kind of stuff. And you can also, the thing is you have to present yourself as a personal brand. The thing is you have to look yourself, your Bookstagram account, as a personal brand. So you need to have these things in your mind. And my final step would be to expand your business. So for this time you only doing Bookstagram on Instagram, and you can also expand your business. You can expand your personal brand and get on to YouTube, basically start making video content and also start uploading on Twitter. So you can also start uploading on a website or a newsletter. So you have all of these options and you choose whatever you like. So basically what's my point is to expand your business, expand your personal brand. And I'm also doing this Twitter and YouTube thing, and I'm started thinking on to start a newsletter basically. And so basically all of I'm saying is to expand your personal brand. To once you start thinking about to expand your personal brand, you will start getting these book reviews or personal branding deals on your other social media platforms as well. So basically you start getting requests from Twitter to doing paid review stuff. You start getting brand deals on your newsletter, and once you reach on a certain level of subscriber based on your YouTube channel, you will get like paid promotions as well there. So basically the thing is you need to expand your personal brand and start connect all of this community, like from Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, your newsletter, all together. So basically you'll growing more and more. So you need to start sharing all of your content from these social media accounts as well. So yeah, these are my steps and step-by-step guide for creating a Bookstagram account and how to upload your pictures, your books on Instagram, and how to earn through it, what's the process. And you can actually earn a good amount of money. So basically once you started out, you will not get a lot of money, but once you have a certain amount of audience, so you will get a very good amount of money. So basically this is it. And also you'll notice that once you doing it very genuinely, start reviewing books, other authors will also they will notice it and they will come on your account again and again and do businesses with you every time. So basically it's all depends on your personal interest and your personal brand and how well you review books and how well your services are basically. So all of this stuff do matter. And yeah, this is my video, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe it and hit the bell icon. And also if you want to suggest any other topics, you can comment down below and I will make another video for it. So yeah, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.